I was warned not to give birth to a baby girl. If being scared was a person, call me scared. In 3 months' time, my wife will put to bed to a baby girl, which I was warned against. But I don't make babies. Nature just played a sharp one on me, and I think I need to take a drastic decision now or regret forever. In my quest to being a rich man, I wanted to use my girlfriend's destiny to make money because I thought we would end up getting married and being together forever. So there was really no need making money for herself. Instead, we can share my money. I met one Baba who carried out a ritual and I suddenly had the kind of money I needed. My girlfriend was complaining of nothing working for her anymore all of a sudden, but she never had the idea that I did that to her. On my own side, I became super supportive, always gifting her luxury hairs, money, and designers, since that was basically all she needed, a luxury life. After 2 years of using my girlfriend's destiny, everything was working out well for me till my girlfriend started acting crazy and she finally hit the streets. I asked the Baba and he told me that was out of his control because my girlfriend's spirit became so weak and that was why she ran mad. I tried looking for solutions for my girl to no avail. Then sadly, after some weeks of hitting the streets, she ran into a truck and kicked the bucket. I felt so bad, but eyes were not on me because it took time after I made money before she passed away. It took me time to move on, but I had everything I needed. She was just the one out of the picture. All I needed basically was a woman to settle down with, so I did. Even as a married man, I feel so guilty for what happened to my ex. My wife got pregnant and this day I saw my ex in my dream. She told me that day that the day I give birth to a girl, it is over for me because she will return. I don't know what she meant by that. I tried consulting, but no one is telling me anything. 3 days ago, I took my wife to have a gender reveal ultrasound, and I found out my wife was carrying a girl. All I've been hearing is my ex-girlfriend's voice in my head. I've been so disturbed since that day till date. It wasn't my fault. I was never told of the implications, and heaven knows that I made that money to spend the rest of my life with my girl, and I wasn't told it was going to end up that way. My friend is advising me to get rid of the baby, but I don't want to do it. If I don't, what will become of me?
Hey everyone, welcome and welcome back to the channel. It feels so good to be back with a new vlog. I know, feels so good, and I trust you all are doing well. So good to have you here. If you're seeing this face for the first time, my name is Oge. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Abuja, Nigeria. Kindly consider subscribing to be a part of this amazing and growing YouTube family. This is a new YouTube channel. I think this should be my third or fourth video here on this channel. So please hit on the subscribe button. You guys know that subscription is absolutely free on YouTube. But I can promise you something. Every second, every minute, every hour you spend on this channel is going to be worth it. You're going to get value for your time. So please do me a favor and smash that subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon so you're among the first to get notified whenever I put out a new video. Please tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to subscribe to this channel. It's going to be an amazing journey for you guys and for me. So let's do this. My ring light is acting up and Hobby was kind enough to get me a new light. He got me a LED light and we have an unboxing to do. So let's get right into it. The light is from Jumia and this is how it was delivered yesterday. Nice packaging, by the way. From the looks of this package, it's obvious that the stand is going to be really short, but we are going to find out after I open it up. I just finished making the sumptuous and mouth-watering soups. I made oha soup and bitter leaf soup, and I'm transferring them into this custard containers. Now you might be wondering why I'm using these containers. This is because these soups that I prepared will be leaving Nigeria. They'll be going out of the country. So I want them to cool down a bit before I transfer into the freezer because I want them frozen. I haven't been outside of Nigeria before. Like since I was born, I haven't traveled out of this country. But my meals have been leaving Nigeria back to back. This is like the third or fourth time that I'm sending meals to the UK. God, I know this is a sign. Your girl is ready to leave this country. I'm ready to travel out and explore. Good morning, guys. The meals will be leaving today, and this is how I wrap them up to avoid spillage and also to get them ready for transit.